Hey everybody, it's Scott and Luke with the Knowles Wolsey team at Remax Hallmark Che. Now Luke, I don't know about you, but I am awfully comfortable in here.
I tell you, this is what it's all about for me. When the weather gets this bad outside, you can see it almost sleeting behind us. I may not want to go outside the rest of the winter. And if you live in a building like this, you actually don't have to. We've got all the indoor amenities you can want here. Indoor pool, sauna, fitness center, games room, library, and indoor parking. Now with food deliveries like Uber Eats, you may never go outside again. Or maybe you want to just lock that door and take off for the winter, fly somewhere warmer. You can do that too, and the building is maintenance free. We've got one of only 9 penthouses in this building to show you today, and you're gonna love it.
That's right, guys. Now, but before we get upstairs, we gotta talk about this location for a second. We're just a minute's walk into downtown Barrie with some of our best shops and restaurants. Not only that, we've got the city marina right across the street. So if you're a boater, you're gonna absolutely love that component. We've also got miles and miles of hiking, biking, and walking trails, plus Centennial Beach right up the road from here. I don't know how a location gets any better than the Waterview building. Now let's head upstairs and check out Penthouse 4.
Now guys, we talked about this being a penthouse, and what that means here is we've got 10-foot ceilings but nobody above you. We also talked about it being a 1-bedroom suite, but not just any 1 bedroom. Talk about space here. This is 893 square feet of living space. Check out this kitchen. We've got extended height cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, overlooking a large living room. Check out what Scotty's got for you in the bedroom.
Can you believe this? A view straight up Kempenfeld Bay directly from your bed? Now that's how you start off the day on the right foot. Now I know you guys are gonna absolutely love this penthouse unit. As Luke mentioned, the 10-foot ceilings run right into the master bedroom as well. We got crown molding, not 1, but 2 closets, including a huge walk-in, plus the ensuite we know you're looking for. Got a glass walk-in shower and a jacuzzi tub. This is as good as it gets.
Now, I don't know about you, but even when the weather's this bad outside, I can't miss an opportunity to get out here and check out the view from this balcony. And not only did Scotty mention you get the view from the master bedroom on this unit, but you also get it from the living room and, of course, from this balcony with the southeast exposure right over Kempenfeld Bay. What better view could you ask for?
You simply can't beat it, guys. You get those sunrises in the morning with the coffee, and then the sunsets off to the west in the evenings with a glass of wine. You simply can't be beat. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.